In this video, I'm going to show you how to output a numeric value as a string and how specifically to format that output as being like a currency style, like with a $sign, or with a percentage style, or with a certain number of decimal points. So it's really easy, and let me show you really quickly. So let's go to the code. I already initialized this button before recording. And let's just create a decimal called num, and I'll say it's like that. And let's put the equal sign, that would help a lot. So it's what, 87,235? Looks right. I'm going to just output the result in a message box because it's convenient to illustrate it that way. And to perform this operation, you need to use the toString command, like so. So you can output as in this video as three different, I guess, formats. You can either output as a regular number type. So you just do that by doing n inside quotations. Let's see what that looks like. Alright, string, we'll click the button, and as you can see, we have the comma separator right here, and then we also have a default of 2 decimal places afterwards. That's just the default. Now, if you don't want decimal places, or if you want more decimal places or fewer, then you can specify that as well. What you can do to specify the decimal places is, after the n, type a number that is equal to however many decimal places you want to include. So if you don't want any decimals, then type the number 0. Be careful, this is not the same thing as a capital O. If you try doing a capital O, then it's not going to work properly, so do the number 0 if you don't want any decimals. We'll do this again, show you the output. And there we go. We got the comma separator, but no decimals. And if you want more than 2, like maybe you want 5, you can just do that, and then we'll see what that looks like. Is you just got 5. So pretty simple. And if you want to specifically output as a currency data type, like for example with $sign at the front, then just put a C in front instead. And I'm not going to specify a number of decimal places just because I don't want to. So currency, and again we'll run the program. And as you can see, we have $sign, the comma separator, and the default 2 decimal places to illustrate the cents. Dollars and cents. And then lastly, we have percentage, which can be represented with a P. And let me change num to be a more, I'd say, accurate value for percentage. So let's say 0.97. This is going to be equal to 97%. So let's run the program, and there we go, 97%. And it also defaults to having 2 decimal places. If you don't want any decimal places, then just say P0, and that will get rid of the extra decimal places. And that's it. That's all I want to go over. It's a nice, quick video, but that is how you are able to output and format a string with a certain number of decimal places, or with a $sign or a percent sign. It's very easy. So until next time, I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good day.